Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create SpongeBob's Sleepover outfit on Dress to Impress, where he tries to, I don't know, dress up as a girl. It was so funny. And Pearl was like, I think she said, like, I know that's you, SpongeBob, or something. But let's just get started with the video. You only need one VIP item, and you don't really need it if you don't want to use it. It's just like for the bag, removing everything except for the accessory adjustments. Select this hair in this color, 9C5C23. Position the X at 0.53. And then for this hair, select no bangs and the same color, no adjustments made. And then this hair as well, same color, position the X at 0.51, Y 0.46, Z 0.45. And then we're going to get this bow in this color, FF8A8E. In silk, position the X at 0.54. Also use the type 2 toggle. Rotate the X to 0.33, Y 0.47. For the outfit, we're going to use this here. Color it this color, A6879. And then for the bow, select this color, E46988. Same as the rose. Then we are going to get these sleeves. I can just find it. In the just sleeves only, select the purple and then select this pink, E5468B. And that's also going to be the color of our shoes. So select these shoes and color that the same. Then lastly, for it's more like a sleeping bag, but I'm just going to use this duffel bag. Select the shoulder, toggle and color it this color, A9C89F. And that is it. That is your SpongeBob, all girly and cute. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!